Prajwal. I have done with PCA. I graduated from Bangalore University itself, and I was passed out in 2020. I wanted to learn more about Python, so I joined Pyspider. So guys, I'm telling you, this is the best place to learn Python or full stack development or manual testing. Python is like in Pyspider, you can learn Python. I have chosen a Python testing here. Python testing includes Python, SQL, and manual testing, as well as automation includes Selenium. They teach all this in a single Python. It will comes with a Python full stack development or Python testing. And my trainers were Pujashri ma'am, Jeevita ma'am, Kashi sir, and for Anto sir, as for SQL, and for manual testing, it was Suha sir. These trainers are very good teachers. Like they will teach you like from scratch to proficiency level. They will teach. And after that, I got placed in a good company which works on artificial intelligence and machine learning. Thanks to HR who helped me to crack interviews. My HRs were Ranjita ma'am and Preeti ma'am. They were all the staffs, all the faculties were very supportive here.